Brian Dunlop. I'm Business Development Director here in Bathshack. I want to take you run through some of the new bays on the Antrim Showroom. We've worked along with Charlene from Bunker, and hopefully you guys like them as much as we do. This one, again, it's 6120 tile on the main wall. We've done, it's called Vincy Desert. We've done Iris Maroon, which is a warm brown, we call it. Glossy tile in the back, and then we've done this arch. So the arch actually follows the same shape as the arch of the bath, so it keeps the curves current. We then raised up the bath at the bottom and just lit below it as well. What we've done intentionally is we've left ourselves quite a big step in front of the bath, so if you're actually standing up here, you have somewhere to stand to then get into the bath. It's quite common where people would have quite a small step, and it makes it quite difficult to get in. So what we're trying to do when we design these is we're trying to actually think about how someone might use the bay, might use it long term. So even if you're bathing a child in the bath, you're able to kneel down in front of it without being too low to the ground. With this one, brushed brass fittings all around. We've also our curved brushed brass trim, just so that is a nice continuous curve. You know, there's no awkward stepiness to it. The trim is actually designed to follow a curve like that. This is a painted unit in a jasmine finish. Comes in loads of colours. We've picked jasmine for here because again, the whole feel of the bay is to be soft, luxurious, spa-like. That's why a lot of the lighting helps that as well, because it's all muted, lower lighting. And then we've got our brushed brass towel rod. Also in this one, we've added the terrazzo stone basin. So we do a full range of these. We've selected this one because obviously the colour blends well to the unit itself, but it's also bringing that same kind of light terrazzo. This is a heavier terrazzo, but within the tile you'll still get that same kind of light terrazzo feeling towards, you know, the brown speckled stone coming out of it. This bay as well is 2.4 by 2.4, so about 8 foot by 8 foot. I would call it a middle-sized kind of bathroom size room. This bay previously actually had a shower in this corner, a bath here, and toilet basin together. So there is space in this size room to do all, but we wanted to really make a feature of the bath, and as you can see when you come into the room, it is a feature. This one we've done a few different tiles. So this is somewhere you wanted to do something a bit more playful, a bit of a statement. So we've a nice wood effect panel tile that's the way around the room. We then actually got the downtown green on the wall, but it's actually in gloss and matte. So this row's gloss, this row's matte, gloss, matte, the whole way around. Just to add another theme to it as well. We complemented it with the pigment floor tile. So this is a Scalapato semi-gloss floor tile. We have that on the shower seat as well. Black fittings the way around the bay as well. We have the vanity then in the Tuscan red. This whole bay is designed to kind of complement each other. So the Tuscan red is pulling one of the chip colours out of the main pigment tile. Wall hung toilet with the black recessed shelf that we have as well. And then we have a fluted screen here. This bay is again 2.4 long by 1800 wide. This would be kind of on the smaller side of a main bathroom, but the shower's actually a good size. Obviously plenty of space inside. Concealed valves, so you can actually turn the shower on from the outside. And you have your handheld for here for if you don't want to use the main head. This is a newer type shower head, so a spotlight shower. So you'll notice that this is actually a smaller diameter. So the idea is to give you more concentrated flow to have a more enjoyable shower, basically.